Welcome everyone, and I am Murad Ali. Welcome to Teach Island. And in Teach Island, I am here today to teach you about how to make your own VPN inside your phone, and you can make it also in your laptop or computer. This VPN method is available in most smartphones, most models of types of smartphones such as iOS, Android, and uh, more like the Nokia, etc. So we will begin from iOS, and for this purpose I will go to so at here I will search about for VPN get dot net, and then we'll let go. Why vpngate.net? Because it will provide us an address of server or VPN server that will mask our our normal IP. So here is mine IP, and right now I have to mask it with one of these. So here I will select only L2TP IP sec SEC, sorry. So I will remove soft ether, then open VPN, and then MSSSTP. Refresh it. So here you can see that L2TP will have lots of different kind of speeds from server side, 5.7 Mbps, and it is a huge, but okay, 3.36 Mbps, and pings are 9 ms. So 5 point, and here wait a while, Wasim, wait a while. So here you can see I will copy one of them from here. So here you can see that I will select any one of these address, like I am selecting this one, and I will only took till this one, or simple IP. So it will basically provide me a masking IP, so I can copy any one of them, and as I did one. So now I will go to setting. In setting I will choose add configuration, but sorry, let me explain it clearly, that I will go to general, and in general here is a VPN tab in iOS device, and in Android you can find it inside the wireless and Wi-Fi network, and then click on more and you will see the VPN. So click here, now add configuration, and select the type L2TP. Yeah, so this one is correct. Now name it VPN. I also have another one with the same name, so I will put VPN2. Okay, and I will paste the link which I had copied, and then account is VPN, password is VPN, and secret code is VPN, and nothing else. Done it. So here you can see the VPN was also exist, so that's why I create the new one which is called VPN2, and let me select it. After selecting this one, I will click on connect, and now you can see that here is showing connecting, and after connection, a successful connection, it will show that connected, and here is. So I'm clicking on info, and here you can see from 8 seconds it is connected, so 11, 12 and so on. So let me check my IP address at here. As you can see, it was my previous IP address. So let me zoom it out. Yeah, this one was my previous, and let me refresh it. Continue. So here you can see now the country is United States and IP is this one. So now let me check the speed of this fast.com. Here you can see that speed is slow but not like others, and it's also able to download like YouTube. And I am using slow internet, by the way, so that's why it is showing this speed a little bit slow, because my net is already slow. I'm not using the fast net, and that's why it is slow. But you can see I'm using it right now, YouTube, and as you can see, it is showing me in Japanese because I have server from Japan and IP mask to US. So public IP is US, but server is belongs to Japan. So it is showing in Japanese. Okay, so I have chosen this way. Why? Because a software can steal your data and also can steal your major informations, but VPN Gate is based on an academic research project. So that's why I prefer you this one, because it can they will never steal your data, and you can study all the methods are available on VPN Gate, that how they works, how volunteers offering them their own servers for free for educational purpose use. So stay tuned, stay connected, and in this video I tried to explain that how you can create your own VPN connection. And if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. I need your support, and hopes that you will subscribe my channel. And if you found any kind of error or having any kind of trouble, then please comment me in this video, and keep in touch with Teach Island. Teach Island is basically a platform of tutorials and trainings in the regard of learning, self-learning from YouTube and other sources. Thank you, stay tuned, and don't forget to like this